live back in the woods, you see. Woman and the kids and the dogs and me. Shotgun rifle and a four-wheel drive. Alright guys, looks like it's been leaking for a while. You can see that black mold up there. I don't like to really get into that. But let me hop up in here and see what's going on. Standing water in the pan. Whoever did this is a complete cluster. I don't know why they didn't run. I mean, look at all this line set they have here. They could have put the coil on this side, okay, and then drained it. What they've actually done is everything is back over here in this right here where this where the roof line drops. I can't get to it. This is going to have to be a backup and punt type situation. Actually, it's going to be a uninstall and reinstall type thing. But let me get hold of them. Okay, guys, we're done over here for the day. Basically, I talked to the customer. I gave you my opinion of what needed to be done. And basically, that's going to be, you know, for me to actually even to get back there, I'd have to remove ductwork and basically, you know, uninstall some stuff to actually get back to the coil. The pan didn't have a safety on it. It was just plain honoring us. And whoever did that should be ashamed of themselves. But they're going to think about it and they're going to get back with me. But anyway, guys, you know, that's just the nature of the beast sometimes. But all right, guys, we're going to get back with y'all. Bye.